Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find water lanterns in Forza Horizon 6. So you'll able to find water lanterns just next to this thing, and if you don't know where is the location, let me show you. So this is where you need to come, and you'll able to find water lanterns only if there is summer. In summer you'll able to find water lanterns, but just like me, if you don't have summer in your map, what you can do instead, you can use this little trick. For that you need to go to Creative Hub tab, select Event Lab, and make sure to select Play Challenges option here. Then you need to use the search option, you can see at the bottom, select that. Then here you need to select share code and just enter this share code right here. Once you enter the share code, simply select OK, hit confirm, and you'll able to see the challenge. Select that, and yep, there you go, the challenge has begun, and now we'll able to see water lanterns. So let it load first. Okay, now we need to drive a bit further. Now you can see we are able to see water lanterns. So you just need to open the photo mode and simply just go here and simply capture the photo. And yep, there you go, we have successfully completed the challenge, and that's exactly how you'll able to find water lanterns in Forza Horizon 6. Now we can simply quit the event, and that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you'll able to find water lanterns, or this is exactly how you'll able to complete water lanterns challenge in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.